If you're planning on cooking a beef tenderloin roast during the holiday season, then I could understand if you're a little bit apprehensive. It's a big investment and you want to get it just right. So let me show you the steps that I use to cook beef tenderloin in convection. I use a method called low temperature cooking. Basically, I'm using convection at 200 degrees, and I'm going to program the internal meat probe of the oven to 125 degrees. At that point, I'm going to take the meat out and let it rest. I'm going to increase the oven temperature, and then I'm going to put the vegetables in so that they can cook. While the meat is resting, the vegetables will be cooking, and after 30 minutes, I'm going to add the beef tenderloin back into the oven at a high temperature so it gets its nice finish, a little bit of browning and searing, much more appealing. You can see the beef cooked really perfectly. It came up to the internal temperature of 135 during that last 10 minutes of cooking in the oven at a high temperature. Now I used 375 in my oven because it's a smaller, more powerful oven. If you have a large 30-inch oven, 400 degrees might be ideal for the finishing. Before I put the beef in the oven for the first phase of cooking, I slathered it with a little bit of olive oil and some kosher salt and pepper, added some garlic and some fresh thyme. During the long, slow cooking phase, those aromatics added a lot of flavor to the meat. So very easy, very fail-safe, I promise. And I made some little potato stacks, a little gratin dauphinois, but instead of a large container, I made individuals. And those I reheated in the steam oven, but you could also reheat them in the regular oven. So the timing was pretty simple. It was about 45 to 50 minutes to cook the beef. It did rest for 20 minutes. It had another 10 minutes in the oven. Everything came together so well. Remember, that's the benefit of convection. You can cook multiple foods at one time, no transference flavor, and you'll have incredible moist and juicy results. Oh, did I mention flavor too? So take heart, give it a try, and I'm sure you'll be pleased with the results. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.